Whoops.
Beautiful day in Equinunk, Pennsylvania.
Yeah, it is a gorgeous day, man.
Hunting with Paul and
Absolutely gorgeous.
Aspen and Kimber, two of the most beautiful GSPs in the East Coast.
Oh.
We got 5 birds so far. Not doing too bad.
6?
6 birds, I'm sorry, I lied. 6 birds. Oh, yeah, she's liking something.
Yes, she is.
There's the point.
There's the point.
There's the point. Look at this. Oh my God, beautiful.
Look at how she just locks.
She is locked on. Aspen coming in.
Aspen's gonna spook it.
Well. Nice. Good shooting, Paul.
Actually, it was a good shot.
That was a great shot. You had him on the
cross.
Yeah, the cross shot.
I'm horrible on cross.
That was a great shot. Come on, girls.
Good girl. Get it, get it, get it.
That was really a good shot. Oh.
Thrower.
Yeah, that'll be sweet.
That will be fun, John.
Yep.
Hi, John.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, man.
Come on,
come on, Kimber.
It's still flat.
Yep. Come on, Kimber. Oh, she had it.
Aspen has the tail. Aspen grabbed the tail. Come on, babies.
Good girl, Aspen.
Good girls.
Here comes Aspen.
Good girl, Aspen. What a good girl.
Good girl, Aspen.
What a good
Yeah.
girl, baby. Good girl, Kimber. Come on.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, what a good girl.
Good girl.
What a good girl. What a
You are such a good girl.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice birds. Nice. Oh, up. I was going to say nice tail on that one.
Oh.
Good girls. All right, Aspen, let go. Let go, baby. All right, girls, no. Aspen, thank you.
We're hunting dogs. You guys are acting like cereal dogs.
Ooh.
Oh.
That bird was gutted. That bird was gutted.